Today we're looking at one of the brand new 2026 Prolites to come out, and it's going to be the 2026 Prolite Evasion in the Eco lineup. Now I'm always excited to see Prolites coming in because they are a Canadian manufacturer of ultra lightweight travel trailers designed for cars, vans, and SUVs. And this trailer in particular is from their newest Eco lineup. So Prolite has always been known for making premium ultra lightweight travel trailers. They are now offering some of their favorite premium floor plans in this Eco line. That means that they've got a couple features stripped back here to make it a little bit more approachable for pricing for people who want to be a little bit more cost effective with their trailers, but still get great designs and floor plans from Prolite. Now the Evasion in particular comes at just over 1,800 pounds dry weight, and it is perfect for passengers of 3 adults and 2 kids. Now there's lots of exciting features with the new ones, but I do want to mention, as I've talked about before, this Eco lineup, you just see a couple of differences. This is maybe an old Prolite Evasion, a 2025 that we would have had in the premium floor plan. So you get a couple more windows with the premium floor plan, a couple more things on the interior, but with this one, it's a little bit more stripped back. Perfect for the experienced camper who realizes they don't need all the fixings, they just want to enjoy the outdoors, or perfect for the newer camper who just wants to get their foot in the door with Prolites and see all they have to offer before they commit to one of the premium models. With this Evasion Eco, you're going to have a single 20-pound propane tank on the front with a manual tongue jack. You've got manual stabilizers around the rest of this unit as well, and you get a couple of extra goodies here with it being brand new. You've got your extension cable, your power supply cable, you've got your fire extinguisher, you've got a tire repair kit if you ever have an incident there. You'll notice we have these new decals for the 2026 models, and you've got these extra little flourishes here on the side. You've got some bird decals, you've got the Evasion Eco with that maple leaf to show you it's Canadian made, and it still looks great on the outside even with all these windows stripped back. A change that happened in 2025, which continues to happen in 2026, is you've got this higher ride height here compared to older versions of the Prolites, so you have a lot less worries about bottoming out. Walking around, you've got a window on this side to let some light in, and at the rear here you've got more of those new decals. You've got your auxiliary shower there on the outside, and walking over here, continuing that new look. Stepping onto the interior, I'll show off a couple of the things that changed with these Eco versions. Continuing with the 2025 design, they've got this nice light and bright airy kind of design here with all of the aesthetic choices they made. They've got nice bright linoleum floors here. You've got this faux marble countertop and this white walls, which does a great job at letting a lot of natural light in here, even with less windows. You're going to have a couple more things stripped back here. Instead of having those stainless steel sinks, you're going to have these plastic sinks here, which was in the older versions of Prolite, but just another option to make it a little bit more cost effective for those who don't want all the premium features. You still get a 2-burner stovetop with this Evasion floor plan. That closes down. You've got lots of countertop space where needed. They've pulled off things like hardware cabinet doors. Once again, features that are premium that people don't necessarily need, whether you're an experienced camper or brand new. If you don't need it, why offer the option? They'll strip it back, make it a great way to get into this trailer. Flipping over to this side here, although it's a lightweight trailer at just over 1,800 pounds, you've got a full washroom here too, so you're going to have a shower inside there. You've got your toilet, which is plumbed into a black tank. You've got your skylight, and that easily closes off there also. Flipping over here, this is going to be your dinette and an option for one of your beds. So this trailer can hold up to 3 adults and 2 kids. This is one great option. If you are just a couple, you can have this dinette set up 24/7. But if you've got kids, grandkids along with you, you can convert this to an extra bed as well. This just simply folds up, that drops down, these cushions come over. That's going to be a nice large sleeping alcove for you or your guests. You've got some storage underneath here too with the 2025s and 2026s. They've upgraded all of the hardware to have these nice metal hinges there, which do a great job at keeping the doors nice and open. And flipping over to this side here, before we go into the other sleeping options, I'll just touch base here on this fridge freezer combo. You've got this full electric fridge freezer combo built in here, storage up above, and a nice pull-out drawer as well. Now I said you can fit a couple more people in here, or if you're a couple, it is a perfect floor plan too, because you've got a great couch here in the back to sit down and relax, but this is going to be another main sleeping area as well. You simply lift up this little spot here, you can pull this whole bed out, and that's going to give you a whole other spot to sleep. Now a lot of couples will leave this just set up as a bed 24/7 and have their dinette set up 24/7, so when they arrive they have no setup and takedown. But if you're a larger family, you can easily pull this out, have that as a bed, and fold it away for a couch. Now you're going to fit those extra 2 people, kids, in one spot, and that's going to be these great little storage compartments up here. Now, you're not going to shove them in the storage compartment, but there is latches on either side here, and this is going to unlatch and fold down to reveal a bunk. So it's great use of the space here in the Evasion, because you've got storage when you're traveling, storage if you're just a couple, but if you've got kids, grandkids, or you just need an extra bed for a night, this will fold down into a bunk. There is tons of great features designed in these Prolites, and they are even better when you see them in person. So if you want to see everything else this brand new 2026 Evasion Eco lineup has to show, come on down and check this one out at Long Haul Trailers in Listowel.